Subtitle: The Power of Freedom, 20 Ways It Transforms Your Life. Introduction. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that resonates with all of us: freedom. Have you ever thought about the incredible ways freedom shapes our lives? Well, you're in for a treat because we've compiled 20 powerful reasons why freedom is absolutely essential. Let's get started. Segment 1: Personal Growth. Personal growth. Freedom provides us with the canvas on which we can paint our personal development journey. When we're free to explore our passions, experiment with new things, and embrace change without limitations, we grow into the best versions of ourselves. Segment 2: Creativity Unleashed. Creativity Unleashed. Imagine a world where our thoughts flow freely, where expressing our wildest ideas is encouraged. That's the world that freedom creates. When we're unrestricted by fear or judgment, our creativity flourishes, leading to groundbreaking innovations and artistic expressions that shape our culture. Segment 3: Pursuit of Happiness. Pursuit of Happiness. Freedom isn't just about rights, it's about happiness. The freedom to pursue our dreams, to find joy in the little things, and to create our own paths to fulfillment is a fundamental human need that empowers us to live our lives authentically. Segment 4: Self-expression. Self-expression. In a world where freedom reigns, our voices matter. Whether through words, art, or actions, the ability to express ourselves without fear of censorship or retribution leads to deeper connections, greater understanding, and a more inclusive society. Segment 5: Diversity and Inclusion. Diversity and inclusion. True freedom embraces diversity. When every voice is heard, and every perspective is valued, societies become enriched tapestries of experiences. Freedom allows us to appreciate our differences, fostering unity and harmony. Segment 6: Economic Prosperity. Economic prosperity. Economic freedom fuels innovation and entrepreneurship. When individuals are free to pursue their business ideas without excessive regulation, economies thrive, jobs are created, and wealth is distributed more equitably. Segment 7: Critical Thinking. Critical thinking. In a free society, critical thinking is a cornerstone. The freedom to question, challenge, and engage with a wide range of ideas not only leads to personal growth but also contributes to a well-informed and intellectually vibrant community. Segment 8: Autonomy and Independence. Number 8: Autonomy and Independence. When we have the freedom to make choices that shape our lives, we cultivate a sense of autonomy and independence. This empowerment enhances our self-confidence and helps us navigate life's challenges. Segment 9: Human Rights. Human rights. Human rights are rooted in freedom. The ability to live without discrimination, enjoy personal liberty, and access justice are the cornerstones of a just society, all made possible by the essential freedom we hold dear. Segment 10: Peace and Harmony. Peace and harmony. Freedom and peace are interconnected. Societies that value individual freedoms are more likely to respect the rights of others, fostering an environment of cooperation, understanding, and ultimately, peace. Segment 11, Social Progress. Social progress. Freedom paves the way for societal evolution. It allows us to adapt to changing times, challenge outdated norms, and progress collectively towards a more equitable and just world. Segment 12, Global Collaboration. Global collaboration. Freedom transcends borders. It encourages international partnerships to address pressing global issues. When nations collaborate without constraints, humanity benefits through shared knowledge and resources. Segment 13, Rule of Law. Rule of Law. A society built on freedom is one that upholds the rule of law. This ensures that rights are protected, justice is served, and accountability is maintained, contributing to a fair and orderly society. Segment 14, Educational Excellence. Educational excellence. Freedom in education is a catalyst for curiosity. When students have the freedom to explore diverse subjects, question assumptions, and engage in critical thinking, they become lifelong learners and the architects of a brighter future. Segment 15, Civic Engagement. Civic engagement. Freedom nurtures active citizenship. When we're free to voice our opinions, participate in community initiatives, and engage in informed voting, we shape the course of our societies for the better. Segment 16, Resilience. Resilience. Societies that value freedom exhibit remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. The freedom to innovate, adapt, and collaborate helps communities bounce back stronger from challenges. Segment 17, Health and Well-being. Health and well-being. Freedom extends to our well-being. The ability to make choices about our health, access information, and seek support contributes to both mental and physical well-being. Segment 18, Innovation. Innovation. Freedom is a breeding ground for innovation. When ideas flow freely, unburdened by stifling restrictions, breakthroughs in technology, science, and art propel societies forward. Segment 19, Family and Relationships. Family and relationships. Freedom enables us to build authentic relationships based on shared values and mutual respect. It empowers individuals to create families and connections that thrive in an atmosphere of trust. Segment 20, Legacy for Future Generations. The Liberating Essence, 20 Ways Freedom Shapes Our World, Legacy for Future Generations. The freedom we safeguard today shapes the world our children and grandchildren will inherit. By preserving and cherishing freedom, we gift them with a brighter and more promising future. Conclusion. There you have it, 20 compelling ways in which freedom transforms our lives. As we wrap up, remember that the value of freedom cannot be overstated. If this video resonated with you, Make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the incredible power of freedom. Until next time. Like, comment, subscribe. Related videos. Social media links.